How's it going, guys? So we just received a package from Milwakee. It just came in today. They've been sending us care packages every month, so a big thanks to Milwakee for sending us, these care packages. I'm not sure what it is inside that they send us, but shout out to Mr. Cesar and Miss Natasha. They're with the tool design group, so shout out to them. In the past videos, I did show y'all that they came out and surveyed our work. They were looking for a landscaping provider to help them develop more tools for the future to help us, if it's weed eaters, edgers, and yeah, man, let's see what they brought us today. So I got my Milwakee knife right here that they sent us last time. They did send us some shirts. I think it was a shirts, beanies, bottle openers, and it was actually also a knife. So let's see what they brought us. Like I said, thanks to everybody. Thanks to Natasha. Thanks to the Milwakee team for these care packages. So alrighty, let's see what they brought us in today. So they brought us some safety glasses. It looks like they sent 1, 2. Oh wow, look. They sent us some earplugs with the little holder. Some gloves, as you can see. These are the leather gloves. Wow, big shout out to them. They sent 2, 1, 2, 3 pairs of gloves. This will really work whenever we're weed eating. Thanks to the Milwakee team, and thanks for making this. Got some more. These look like they're yellow. They're clear. This will really work for us in the yards. And thanks. It's 2 gloves for each person. Ingrid, thank you, Ingrid. And Ingrid Webb, thank you very much. Thank you very much for this. We actually, and I've actually bought some gloves last week because we needed some gloves, and this came in clutch. So big shout out to Milwakee Tools for sending us these gloves. Really appreciate this. And the oh look, these are my size right here. They send large. Let me go ahead and put this over here. But yeah, guys, they send us some gloves. It's two for each person, so I do have 2 workers, and this will come in really large. So yeah, guys, thank you Milwakee for everything. Thanks Miss Ingrid Webb. Thanks to Cesar. Thanks to Natasha too for making this happen. This is really gonna help us a lot in the lawns, and we actually do need these too, for our safety of our ears, their safety for our eyes and our hands. So I'm just gonna basically open these up, and I'm just gonna test fit them. These look like they're my size. I got small little bitty hands, so let's try them out, see how they fit. Oh, these came in really nice. Thanks Milwakee. Thanks everybody for supporting the channel. If it wasn't for y'all, we wouldn't be where we're at now. So yeah, guys, thank you Milwakee for the care package, and thank you Miss Ingrid, Natasha, and Caesar for making this happen. And yeah, guys, see you on the next one.